The Barista Express Impress features intelligent dosing, a dosing system that learns on the job, adjusting the dose as required based on the last grind. However, you can still adjust the shot volume to suit. Grind, press, and trim your portafilter if required. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Then press and hold both the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons for 3 seconds. The buttons will illuminate and flash. To reprogram the volume of the 1 cup or 2 cup button, select the button you wish to adjust to start the extraction. Once sufficient espresso volume has been extracted, press the same button to stop. The modified volume will then be saved. Different beans require a different water temperature to extract their optimum flavor. The Barista Express Impress allows you to adjust water temperature in 2° Fahrenheit or 4° Fahrenheit increments from the default temperature. To enter advanced temperature setting mode, turn the machine off. Press and hold the filter, 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, then press and hold the power button. The machine will beep once and the illuminated 1 cup button indicates the current default temperature at 200° Fahrenheit. Each time you enter advanced mode, you can only select one temperature setting at a time. To change it again, you will need to re-enter advanced mode. To increase the water temperature by 2° Fahrenheit, press the 2 cup button. To increase the water temperature by 4° Fahrenheit, press the power button. To decrease the water temperature by 2° Fahrenheit, press the manual dose dial. To decrease the water temperature by 4° Fahrenheit, press the dose button. Press the 1 cup button to reset the factory default temperature of 200° Fahrenheit. Once the desired temperature has been selected, the machine will beep twice to confirm the change and then return to standby mode.